Exercise 1.3. We are in our third exercise of our chapter, rational numbers, where I have completed first one, second one, third one, over. Yesterday we have seen associative property of addition of three numbers. Now we are going to start with our fourth sum. Okay. Third sum, A and B, two were there. I did one sum only. The other one I kept for homework. Okay. Now we are in the fourth question. Verify that the commutative property does not hold true for the division of the following set of rational numbers. A and B, two sums are there. One I am going to do. A1 I am doing, B1 kept for you to do as a homework. Because all the questions have two options, two sums only, A and B, A and B. One I will do, I will send my material. In the same way, you have to do the D question. Okay. Commutative property does not hold true. Means it will not come LHS as a RHS. It will not satisfy for the division of the set of rational numbers. Which means P divides Q is not equal to Q divides P. This is what commutative property of division. Commutative property involves two rational numbers, P and Q, such that commutative property says P divides Q when I do is not equal to Q divides P. They are not equal. But in multiplication, we have seen that they are equal. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 in case of integers. Same way in case of rational numbers, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 7 2s are 14. When you take this here, 1 2s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Then also you will get the same. So multiplication, it will satisfy. We know that. Division, it will not satisfy. That how it is, we will prove that using this P and Q. Understood? So let us do first the LHS. P divides Q. In our question, this is P, this is Q. Let us do like that. 2 by 7 divides 1 by 2. P divides Q. Which means very easy. 2 by 7. Whenever we want to divide, we cannot do directly the cancellation. For doing the cancellation, I need to change the operation for cancelling. What does it mean? I am changing the operation. The second number will become the reciprocal. We already told this. Again, I am repeating. First number, sign change. The second rational number reverse. Understood? So 2 by 1. Cancellation is not possible because this is a 7. Prime number will not come in any table, 1 also. So 2 2s are 4, 7 1s are 7. Direct multiplication only. And I kept this. 2 2s are 4, 7 1s are 7, 4 by 7. This is my left hand side. Now I want to see about the right side. Right side. Q divides P. Q divides P. Which is equal to? This is P, this is Q. That I already told. So Q means first this number to write divides 2 by 7 to write. Understood? That is called Q divides P. This is 2 by 7 divides this. The reverse. 1 by 2 divides 2 by 7. Now we will see that is equal to 1 by 2 multiplication symbol. Second number, the reciprocal, 7 by 2. Because I am changing the sign, I have to do the reciprocal. 1 7s are 7, 2 2s are 4, 7 by 4. Look at the left hand side, 4 by 7. Look at the right side, 7 by 4. Are they equal? No. 4 by 7 is not equal to 7 by 4. That is what first step we told. Commutative property will not satisfy the division. They too know that. Book people what they told. Verify. Verify means to prove. So we got like this 4 by 7. Then what to write? I will continue in this side. LHS. Little bit space. So we have to write LHS is not equal to RHS. 4 by 7 is not equal to 7 by 4. That's all. Verify. This will be our last two steps. So one as P, one as Q we have to take. We have to verify this property only. P divides Q is not equal to Q divides P. P and Q we are doing. I am changing the sign. The second number is the reciprocal. Then we are bringing. Q divides P, second number versus first number. Then we are doing 7 by 4, the reverse. Always we will get like that only. These are not equal. This one is a reciprocal of this number. They are not equal. So LHS is not equal to. Equal to when I write and cut it, it is called not equal to. Okay. So this number is not equal to this. It is proved. Hence verified. Like that I wrote in my material. So we have verified like that it is. Understood clearly? This is about the commutative property doesn't hold true for the division of the rational numbers. Let us move on to question number 5. Question number 4, one I did, the other one for you to do as a homework. We kept same way. You should do one as P, one as Q, and you have to do that. After getting the homework schedule, you can do those things. Question number 5 says, AB, all the questions AB. And different properties. Understood. Second one was different, third different, fourth different, fifth different. So I am doing in all the things one. Question number 5. Verify that the associative property holds true for the multiplication of the following sets of rational numbers. Now we are going to see the multiplication of rationals associative property. 3 numbers. First number multiplied by the second 2. And first 2 multiplied by the third. Both answers are same or not, we have to verify. They are telling verify that it holds true, which means that it will come true. Okay, verification means that is called verification. Question number 5A. 2 by 7, 5 by 8. This is the question what is given in the textbook. 5 by 8 and 7 by 10. 3 numbers they will give, that is associative property. This is P, Q and R. P, Q, R. If I take like that, associative property of multiplication. Let us write both the sides. PQR, PQR. First 2 numbers when I multiply, doing with the third number, and first number to leave, next 2 numbers to do the bracket. First 2, next 2. Remember like that. First write PQR, PQR. First 2 rational numbers, last 2 rational numbers. This to do, then to do with this. This to do, then to do with this. Then whether to see whether we are getting LHS equal to RHS. Yes means true, verified. No means we left some mistakes. Because verify means it will come same. Whatever may be the number, it will hold true. Understood? So it is verify means like that. They will give the number like that only. Okay, so let us do this. Let us prove the associative law of multiplication. Associative law, 3 numbers, 1, 3 rational numbers. 2 means commutative. This is associative law. First let me do this. LHS. P into Q, I will multiply, will do with the R. What is P? What is Q? 2 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 8. This is P, this is Q, outside R. This is R, 7 by 10. P, Q and R. Normal multiplication, normal cancellation is allowed. 2, 5, 7. 7 will not go either in 2 table or in 5 table. 8 will go. 8 and 2 we can cancel or are in multiplication only. First we will do this, then we'll do with the outside. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. 2 table. 5 and 7 cannot do, 5 and 4 cannot do. Only should do numerator, denominator only. Denominator don't cancel. Okay, that much only we can do. So 1, 5, 5 ones are 5. 4, 7. 7 fours are 28. This is the number. Just I cancel 2 and 8 with the 2 table. Afterwards, again, don't ask how we got this. Now, easily follow what I'm telling. 2 table. Then remaining I wrote. This is this number. Now to solve this both. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. 5 table. 1 7s are 7. 7 table. 4 7s are 28. 1 1. Numerator 1. 4 2s are 8. This is the answer for the left hand side. 1 by 8. So what we did, P and Q I multiplied, then outside this, first this both I did cancelling, then this and this I did cancelling, and I brought. All are under multiplication only. Okay? Together not to do the cancelling, first this both only should do, because this is associative law. First this both, then should do with the third number. That is the rule. Now, right side. Right side, this is my right side. RHS. Let us write PQ and R. 2 by 7 outside. Q and R inside. 5 by 8 is my Q for this question. 7 by 10 is the R for this question. So P, Q and R. Let us do the cancellation of this. Then we'll bring the numbers outside. 1 5s are 5, 5 table. 2 5s are 10. Then 7 and 8 we cannot do. We should not do. 1 and 2 also nothing possible. So after this, 1 7s are 7. 8 2s, here I will write. First I will copy this number. 2 by 7. Then I must write here. 1 7s are 7. 8 2s are 16. First number P as it is. Q and R I multiplied. 1 7s are 7. 8 2s are 16. Now what to do? This we have to cancel. 1 2s are 2. 8 2s are 16. 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 7. So 1 1s are 1. 1 8s are 8. Look at the number here. Look at the number here. 1 by 8, 1 by 8. LHS equal to RHS. Here I have placed, so I erase this line little bit. LHS is equal to RHS. Verify. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. What means that also right. So we have proved this. This is the way to prove. Okay? In your notebook, in your exam, first prove left side. Below that, prove. Below that, prove the right side. Okay? 1 below 1, you must do. Right side, you should have rough column only for solving. Okay? So 1 below 1, you do in your notebook. Since it is a board and I want to show you both the sides together, so I have divided. You must do 1 below 1. So first, this we wrote associative law of multiplication. First two numbers cancelling, doing with the third number, we got this. Then first number as it is, these two I multiplied, cancelling, got the answer, again cancelling, got the answer. We verified that associative property is true for the multiplication of rational. Understood clearly? This is A1. Similar thing, B1, homework for you. 5B is there, that will be as a homework. I must pass on to the question 6. Any doubt? Am I clear what I'm saying? Any doubt, you can type or you can ask. No doubts, okay. Kasturi Mahadevan will understand very, very nicely. Others? Sixth question. Verify the distributive property of, okay, Sheikh Ali. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Very, very clear. Okay. Distributive property. Ma'am, to me, no doubts. Okay, good. Distributive property of multiplication. Okay. Good with the concepts. Okay. So now you will be good in the concepts only. Now easy because I am telling you are listening. When you do only, you will get doubts. That time you must be clear. Whichever number I give in the exam, whichever property asked, you should know to write that property and to start with the thing. Now slowly, one by one, we are going from the exercise only. When I give a text only, you will know. Okay, not to worry. Now if you understand, definitely you will do in the test also better. Understanding very important in maths. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Two sums are there. One I am going to do. Because if I keep on doing all the questions, I will do. Time will fly. And we won't be able to finish. And why they have given so many problems? For practice only. Not for the teacher to do, for the children. 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. This is the question which is given. Distributive law. Distributive law says one number multiplied by, bracket means multiplication, multiplied by the two numbers with the addition symbol in the middle. So it will be like this, A into B plus C. This I told you. One number A, one number B rational number. This is C. A is multiplied with both the numbers. This is left side means, what is right side? This into this, A into B. What is here? A, 4 by 5 into 3 by 7. A into B plus symbol. 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. A into C. A into C. 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. So this is what? Yes, 7th standard we, I know. You had this, we have taken. But long back, no. So first number into first number, addition symbol, first number into third number, A into B plus A into C. Distributive law of addition. Okay, plus. Same thing, homework problem will be minus here. So A into B minus A into C. Distributive law of multiplication over subtraction is homework. Distributive law of multiplication over addition is what I'm doing. Process same. Only thing, the plus and minus. LCM while taking, the small sign change. Plus and minus, that thing you should be taking care. Let us do the left side now. LHS. 3 numbers 1. This is 1, 2, 3. This is A, this is B, this is C. Like this. So I will use both sides for LHS, then we'll erase and do the RHS. Okay. Now LHS. A multiplied by B plus C. So this one I am doing. What is A? 4 by 5. In the question itself they gave. Just we have to write that. Plus 2 by 3. A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Bracket means multiplication. So multiplication is not a problem. Here we should not cancel anything. These are under addition. LCM. Whenever you have uncommon denominators with the addition symbol, straight away LCM only. I will use this place for that only. LCM of the denominators. 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. This is my LCM. First number 3 by 7. Second number 2 by 3. I want the denominator as LCM. Why? Because I want common denominator, then only I can solve. So 7 table. When we say 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. Here 3 table to say 14 by 21. These are the two numbers. Now what is this? Addition. So adding this both. This 4 by 5 will be here only. Multiplication symbol. Inside the bracket adding this both. What is that? 9 by 21, 14 by 21. 9 plus 14 by 21. Numerator, numerator, common denominator. Then only we'll do cancelling and all. 4 by 5 into, what is 14 plus 9? 23. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 14 plus 10 only 24. 23 it is. By 21. Understood. 14 plus 10 is 24. So 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 by 21. Now can we do the cancelling? 4 and 21? No. This is even, this is odd. 5 and 23 can I do? No. It's 23 is a prime number. It will not come in any table. So 23 and 5 would not possible. No cancellation is possible. If it is we are able to do, I will do. But 421 will not go. This also will not go. This both also will not go. So direct multiplication. 4 3s are 12, 2, carried over 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 92 by 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Normal multiplication. Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. I multiply. 92 by 105. We got now left side. I will write in a corner. This 92 by 105 is my left side answer. Because I am going to erase and going to do this right side. Up to now, I did only this distributive property. The left side I completed. I did the addition using LCM and I got the answer from the LCM here. I did with the first number, multiplication. Because this law only we are going to prove. They have asked to prove this. So for proving, I did this left side. This both first step. Second step I did with this. This over now. Now let me do the right side. For right side doing, I need to do this, then add it. So totally I will erase this, leaving the law. The law only we want distributive law. Here I will erase. Now right hand side. Right side. A into B, A into C. What is A? What is B? 4 by 5 into, see there, 3 by 7 in the question. Plus symbol. 4 by 7 into 2 by 3. There it is given. This is what we are going to solve. These both multiplication, these both under multiplication. If we want, we can cancel the multiplication. 4 and 7, no. 3 and 5, no. 3 and 7, no, nothing. So 4 3s are 12. 5 7s are 35. This number as it is. Plus. Again, 4 and 3 cannot do. 2 and 7 cannot do. 4 and 7 cannot do. 4 2s are 8. 7 3s are 21. Direct multiplication, direct multiplication. Now, we cannot do any cancelling now. For this uneven, uncommon denominator. So, LCM of these two numbers. 4 by 5, Madhu sister. I wrote 4 by 7. 5 3s are 15. In the question, see 4 by 5. By mistake, I wrote, sorry. 4 by 5, I will check once more. 4 by 5. Correct. 4 2s are 8, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12, and 5s are 35. Okay. So this is the thing. This is the thing. The question, it is 4 by 5. Okay. So 35 and 15, I need to take the LCM and to solve. Directly, we cannot do LCM like this. I want to multiply directly, it will become a big number. For that, we need to do like this L method. Whenever the numbers are like this, we have to do this only. Small number, we can do multiplication directly. 7 5s are 3 5s are 15. 7 5s are 35. Then 1 7s are 7 3. Again do 3 1 1. Stop at 1 1. This is the process. 7 3s are 21. 21 5s are how much I will find. I am multiplying this. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 105 is the LCM. 7 5s are 35. 35 3s are. Or 7 3s are 21. 21 5s are. Anything is okay. 105 is the LCM. Now I want to bring this both the numbers as 105. Let me do here itself. There no place. So 12 by 35. I need to do 8 by 15. These both the numbers, I need to bring the denominator 105. So we have seen that 35 multiplied by 3 when I do, I will get 105. I want 105 LCM. Seriya? 5 3s are 15. 5 carried over 1. 3 3s are plus 1, 9. 12 3s are 36. So this is my first number. Second number with 15. So 15 multiplied by 7. When I do, yes. 7 5s are 35. 5 carried over 3. 7 1s are 7 plus 305. 8 7s are 56. 56 by 105. 36 by 105. Okay, these are the things. Normal LCM only. This number we brought. Now, what I must do? I must add this. 56 plus 36. 56 plus 36 or 36 plus 56, all same, by 105. Okay, because all process over, multiplication over, addition. For addition, we did LCM. Then we brought the common denominators. Now numerator separate, denominator common. Then add this. 6 plus 6, 12, 2, carried over 1, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 92 by 105. Put a box. Now what is this? What I wrote here, 92 by 105 was my left side. Before erasing, I wrote this. What is the right side now? 92 by 105. Yes. LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Understood? So this way to do. Yes, 92. 92 by 105. 92 by 105. So this way, A into B plus C, distributive law of multiplication over addition. Right side. Right side multiplication. Looks only lengthy, but it is very easy. Left side to do right side separate multiplication. Write the numbers, take out the LCM. Then yes, ma'am, yes. Take out the LCM and write it. Then add them and get it. So they are equal. Finished. So 6A we completed. 6B homework sum. The last one is 7th question. So next page also sums are there. Not last. Tomorrow I will start at question 7. Okay. Back side it is there 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the last exercise of first chapter. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do. Any doubts? Taka ask or type. Let me check the chat once. There is the chat column. Thank you. Only more.